Hey guys, so this month in programming didn't really amount to too much for me, unfortunately. I mean, towards the end, over the past few days, I've made some progress. For example, this 2D game you're seeing right now, I got animations up and running, although I had some issues when the player went diagonal. I fixed that, which you'll see in the next clip. I had to choose between two possible animations when the player moves diagonally, which is because otherwise Unity would just make it go all jittery, because it would try and do both at the same time, which is just not optimal. I also got smooth camera to follow the player. As you can see, I'm programming it right here in this clip. Had to change the fixed update to late update though. Lost inspiration because, well, 2D games don't inspire me too much. Sad because I had a great idea. There's 4 worlds, 4 levels, and at the end of each level the player would find a clue which would lead them to the final level. But I also started baking some lights because, well, I thought it would be a useful skill to learn if I wanted to make realistic lighting and maps in games. So that's about it when it comes to Unity this month so far, and then spent the rest of the month doing other small little side projects and code things.